it's Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm, and today we're making cherry pear bread. It's a fruit quick bread, and it's pretty simple. First thing you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 350 and grease a loaf pan, butter or oil, and you're going to need 2 1/4 cup flour. This recipe makes a single loaf. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You need 1 1/2 cups of milk. You need 1 cup of sugar. It can be either white sugar, brown sugar, or you can do a mix. I'm going to do 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You need 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 6 tablespoons of melted butter or oil, and 3 eggs. You need 2 cups of any combination of chopped cherries and chopped boiled pears. I'm going to mix that. I'm going to pour it into our greased loaf pan. We're going to put that in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, and then we'll be back to look at it. Okay, I have the loaves out of the oven, and they turned out good. And I want to thank you for dropping by Canterbury Trails Farm for our cherry pear bread, and I will leave the recipe in the box below. See you next time. Bye.